teach over this class JavaScript about. So before going to JavaScript directly, I need to tell you that why we are going to JavaScript. So the first thing is we need to create the dynamic websites and we need to design the dynamic website. That means for creating the website there are available of HTML and CSS. But why we are going to JavaScript, the main advantage of going to JavaScript is that we can create the dynamic websites. So now I am going to teach you the operator of JavaScript. So basically there are 7 types of operator are available in JavaScript. So I am going to teach only 2 operator for today's class. So the first one is, let's suppose, assignment operator. Okay. So let me talk about assignment operator. They are like whenever we are assigning a value to the variable, that is known as assignment operator. So there are, again, the assignment operator is classified in 2 types. First one is single value assignment. That is, let's suppose a equal to directly 10. That means the user is assigned the value 10 to the variable called a. Next time, if the user don't want to directly give the value to the variable and the user wants to take the value from the user, then what he needs to write? He needs to write that a is equals to parse int prompt enter the first number. That means here parse int is called a inbuilt function. That means this is a function which convert the value. It is a function that convert the value to integer type. Okay, and here prompt is normally a dialog box which will take the number. That means here you can directly assign 10 to the variable a, and here with the help of parseInt and prompt, that value is getting added or getting stored in the a. That means for why we are not using this regularly equal to 10, because for the whole program it will take the value as 10, but if we will take the input from the user, it will, whatever program we will execute, that will be come under this. So there, the second one is called multi value assignment operator. So in the second one, we can say that a equal to b equal to c equal to 500. So here multiple variables are holding the value 500. So here this is called single value and this is called multi-value